If Snoopy, cozy seasons, and calm planning are your love languages, well, you're in the right place. I just got the Peanuts Celebrate the Seasons Be Happy box from Happy Planner, and I have not even cut the tape yet. Stick around to the end because I'm going to decide on camera if this becomes my YouTube planner or my seasonal memory planner. And I'll show you how I actually use every single piece in this box. Hey y'all, I'm Birg, and around here we use planners, stickers, and cozy little systems to help life feel more calm, more cozy, and more capable, one spread at a time. This box could have been purely a Snoopy purchase, and honestly, it kind of was. But I also wanted to show you how something fun and nostalgic can still fit into a calm, intentional planner system. Now, quick story before we dig in because it explains why I lost all self-control when this launched and I had a complete impulse purchase. When I was little, there was a shop in our mall called Happiness Is, and the door was shaped like Snoopy's dog house. After my dentist appointments, I get to go in and pick out a Snoopy treat, like a little doll, maybe a little outfit for my Snoopy, and I thought I had arrived. And of course, we were that family that checked the TV guide and planned our whole evening around the Charlie Brown specials. Popcorn, Cokes. This was one shot to see the Great Pumpkin or the Christmas special. There were no VCRs. There were no DVDs or download streaming. So when I saw this Celebration Seasons box, it felt like all that cozy nostalgia in planner form. So when Happy Planner said, celebrate the seasons with Peanuts, I basically heard, relive your childhood, but make it functional. And here we are. All right, I haven't even cut the tape yet. We're opening this together for the first time. Look at this presentation though. It already feels like stepping into a little seasonal world with the Peanuts gang. I love all these little pictures on here. Okay. Let's open this. Look! Isn't that cute? With all the Snoopies. I love it. And this has the Snoopy paper. It has the cartoons on it. Oh, I love it. Let's open this up and see what we have got in here. This is how it comes. Isn't this beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so you get this little happy seasonal thing. It tells all the different things that are in here. I'll put that aside up here. And let's get started. All right, we have got the washi tapes. Isn't this cool? Okay. There are 3 rolls of seasonal washi tape. These are great for giving your spread structure. I like to use the washi tapes as little rails on my page. Maybe 1 strip for work tasks, 1 for home, and 1 for memory prompts or gratitude. Aren't these cute? Let's unbox them really. Take them out of the plastic and I will show you. Isn't that cute? It is Snoopy in his little car. Oh my goodness. And bicycles. Oh wow. Okay, and then we have got, this is so exciting. Okay, it says find your happiness. Isn't that cute? It's got all the Peanuts gang on there. Okay, next up we have got, oh my gosh, Charlie Brown strips. Isn't that cute? Oh wow. These are gonna be so fun to use. I cannot wait. Okay, next up is the little pin. Oh, how cute. Okay. Oh, you've got Snoopy pen and pen pouch. This is going straight into my bag. I can do 5-minute planning sessions in the car or waiting rooms. I love having a dedicated pouch for my on-the-go planning kit. Pen, midliner, a few stickers. I'm good. This cute look. So this is a great little pen. And here is the pouch. Oh, it feels so neat. I love the way this feels. It is so pretty. It says, find your happiness. Look at all these cute Snoopies on there. All right, I'm putting the pen right in there. Pen, and the pen is the little roller thing. This is gonna be nice. Nice pen. Okay, this is going right there. Okay, we'll put that down here. Next up, we have the notepads. There are 2 of them. Let's see, these 2 notepads, they're just perfect for dropping on the kitchen counter. Isn't that cute? I'd use one for family notes, maybe pick up milk, return library books. One just for fun things like Watch the Great Pumpkin or movie night ideas. This is gonna be great. This is awesome. That's cute. Okay, next up, oh my, it's this Chenille Snoopy patch. Is this stupid cute or what? Huh. Oh, let me open it. I bet it is so fun. Okay. It comes on this card. Oh, it is soft and fuzzy, like a little hug for your planner. I might put this on a zipper pouch or even a denim jacket. It feels like a tiny permission slip to keep things light and fun, doesn't it? All right, where should I put that? Right there? Okay, now I have got the stickers. Isn't this neat? So this is the 30 sheet sticker book. Let me just take, oh, it's got a little elastic. Isn't this cool? Now the sticker book is basically a whole year of holidays, cozy moments. They've got everything from, looks like hot cocoa snowflakes, hearts, everything is in here. From snow plate to hot cocoa to pumpkin patches. Look at that. You've got your fun stuff. Look at how pretty that is, the fall stuff. You've got sunny days. There's Woodstock. Everybody's got a place in here. Isn't that cute? These are really fun. Do one more little flip for you. Huh. You've got the summer stuff, winter, fall, everything's in here. How cute is that? Oh, wow. Okay. I love this. All right, now we get 20 pages of filler paper. Isn't that nice? This is really neat. So this says Big Dream on it. Let's put this in. Now this is where Calm plus Cozy Book Capable really comes in for me. I use filler paper for brain dumps, seasonal bucket lists, gratitude lists, even don't forget notes for busy weeks. I can put it in my other planner for notes. I've got meetings. The little borders with the Snoopy are just cute. You got your little Snoopy borders. There's 2 types. This says Big Dreams with the Snoopy and the basket on there. See that? And the next one is, how cute. It says, today is yours with all the peanuts on here. How cute is that? And then you've got Snoopy again in the corner with Woodstock. Oh, they're such buddies and pals. All right, now let me see what we've got here. Oh, okay, so this is the star of the show. This is an undated vertical planner. Here, let me pull the box out of the way. So here's the star of the show. Isn't this cute? These are kind of little yellow dots. They're kind of shiny. That's cute. And I love the cover. This is so nice. It's an undated vertical classic with this embossed cover. It feels like a cozy little storybook. Let's look at everything. You've got your, oops, I'm gonna take these out. Let's see how we've got in here. Okay, that off. So here are your months. They've got your months in here for you that you can use. And every month has those seasonal scenes with the Peanuts gang. It's basically a year of cozy moments just built in. Isn't that cool? You know, I'm torn between using this as a YouTube planner or a seasonal memory planner. Let me know in the comments what you think I should use this for. Isn't that cute? I'll just show you the dividers first and then we'll go back and do the pages. They've got every one. This is, isn't that pretty? Gosh, these are pretty. The little Charlie Browns and Snoopies. These are so fun. I love this. How cute. The Good Life. Those are so fun. All right, hang in there with me. I'll get back to the pages. This is the summer looking one. Isn't that cute? Huh, you've got like little clouds in there. That's fun. Okay, now there is this one. Sweater weather. Isn't that cute? There's the Halloween looking one. It's got reflect and plan here. Dream big, be grateful, give love, lots of laugh, and then here is your holiday. Spread a little holiday magic. How fun is this? So this is undated. So let me show you just show you some of the little spreads here. This is the December one. Each page, every other page has some little Snoopy on it. How cute is that? Okay, let's go here. So this is how it works. You have got your first page, you have got your priorities, important, and note-taking, your dashboards, which we love to do here. And you've got your months. These are undated, which is nice. Notes, little Snoopy. How cute is that? And then you've got your weekly layouts. Okay, and then every other one has a little Snoopy character on it, it looks like. Isn't that cool? Okay, now back here, I saw a reflections page. So every month is the same. You've got little different things on here. I'll just show you. Hearts for February. Oh, wow. This is awesome. Look at how cute these are. You've got your grid here for note, and you've got notes here. You got a little grid space. This is really nice. I like this. And these are your three, there's blank boxes. It's vertical, not horizontal. Here's reflect and plan, the 3 moments you were proud of, 3 things you could improve upon, 3 things that inspired you, 3 things to remember, 3 things you learned, and 3 goals. You could actually copy this page, and they probably have blank ones you can buy and put in there for each month. That would be actually great to do. Anyway, I just love this planner. It's adorable. Sorry, I kind of got distracted with it. But let's look at also the black, I don't know if you've seen the black metal Snoopy discs. Look at these Snoopy cutout discs. Aren't they cute? Can you see them? If you can see that. Even the discs have personality. This is planner hardware with a sense of humor. I love that they're metal because if I'm going to flip this thing 1,000 times, I want it to feel real sturdy, not flimsy. So this is really cool. So that is everything in the box. Let me lay it all out so we can see it. All right, after seeing everything laid out here, this is what I'm thinking. I am thinking that the planner is probably going to become my YouTube content online store planner. Now the filler paper I'm going to use as bucket list. I'm going to use them in this planner as notes and brain dumps. Now the sticker book, that's going to be my one-stop shop for seasonal spreads, and I'll probably be using it in my YouTube planner. Now, these notepads, the pen, the washi, and this pencil pouch, they're going to go straight into everyday use. Last but not least, we have this adorable Chenille Snoopy patch, and that is going to be, I think, on a little canvas bag. I think I'm going to do that, and I'm going to turn it into my Calm plus Cozy plus Capable Go kit. Just a few stickers, a pen, some paper, so I can do a 5-minute planning session anywhere when life kind of feels a little wild. I need to do a brain dump quickly. All right, so when you get these boxes, nothing is allowed to just sit in the box and look pretty. You've got to use it because we are calm and we are cozy and capable around here. All right, tell me in the comments below, would you use this as a content planner, a memory planner, or something totally different? I'd love to know what you'd like to use it for. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I know you have all kinds of other options. And if you like cozy planner videos with a side of nostalgia, well, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it when I set this one up for real. Now, I'm going to see you in the next video, hopefully, and I'd love for you to stay calm, cozy, and capable. Bye.